So today, I will be rebuilding the Golden State Warriors and using ChatGPT as my simulation engine. Before we begin, I'd like to ask you to subscribe and like the video if you like it at the end of the video, because that would really help me out, and that would also help me get a PlayStation 5, which I can eventually get 2K27 on, which would be really helpful. Anyway, let's get to it. And that way I could do better simulations than this. It's not that I hate using this one, but it's just, obviously 2K's the go-to. But see, the thing is, I don't have a PlayStation. But if you subscribe, once I get enough subscribers, I could get a PlayStation. So, I'd really appreciate it. Anyway. So I tried this video, but then there was this plane that came by our house and everything, like flew over. Not literally came over, obviously. And then I couldn't, so I had to restart it, but I already told the simulation engine. So today I will be rebuilding the Golden State Warriors, and you will be the simulation engine, no sugarcoating. So basically, like, just like, it usually doesn't sugarcoat. I'm just saying that just in case. Realistic, yeah, everything, it's putting the rules and everything. We are about to rebuild. Okay, so now is when it gets interesting. So now is when we're about to rebuild, and we're gonna do a major roster shakeup. Get ready. The Warriors front office bracers for a franchise-altering off-season. League perception. Golden State may finally be choosing a new direction after years of building around its championship core. Fans, alright? Okay, whatever. The funds are on. Rival executives know the Warriors could be open for business, but they also know Golden State will give away valuable players for cheap. I'm prepared to offer to Indiana Curry for Halliburton, Quentin Jackson, and an unprotected first round in 2028 pick. Warriors receive Pacers decision rejected. Why? From Indiana's perspective, this doesn't make basketball or franchise sense. Okay. Purser's counter thought Indiana might consider Halliburton is not included premium first round picks and or elite young players. Alright, don't give me the first. So just Hallie and Jackson for Curry. Can we do that? Rice trade rejected. Okay. Okay. I don't want to do that because okay, so we'll give you a fine. What if we give them a 2028 round 2, 2029 round 2, and a 2033 round 1, round 2 swap. Favors Indy. What if we do that? Reject. Tremendous, but second round picks don't bridge the gap. Fine. Yeah, sure. It's in trying to squeeze extra value. They simply don't want to trade. Okay. That's fine. I guess. Let's go shopping for Curry. What did it say? Shopping for Curry. See, the thing is, I don't want to give up picks or young players because they're all really important. Okay. Oklahoma City Thunder, Utah Jazz. Okay. Just let me hear the offers for Curry. This is actually dumb. So, I know everyone was like saying about Boston and everything, but I thought like maybe if I could get them a point guard, it would be nice. What? What? No. What? I'm not trading Curry for Vassell and Ingram. Like, no disrespect, but what? Jalen's what? Bro, these guys are all trying to like, oh my gosh, what the heck? What? No. Why? What? No. These are all trash. These are all trash. For Curry, what? What? This is actually trash for Curry, bro. Jalen's. Hell no. Oh, okay. Never mind. Teams are not. Oh my gosh. Can we get like. No. Okay, why don't you give. I'll take the Spurs. Take the Spurs. If they give me Castle instead of Harrison. If you can get Castle instead of Harrison, I'll take it. I'll take that. We love Steph, but Castle is off the table. Okay. Yeah, okay. Fine, give us De'Aaron Fox. Fine. Give us Vassell and De'Aaron Fox. De'Aaron Fox. Oh my gosh. Fox. I mean, after all, he was trash in the finals. In the finals, like, no disrespect to Fox, but come on, you blew a wide open layup? Seriously? Bro, like, come on. You need to learn how to play basketball again. Like, I'm not trying to disrespect or anything. I still believe he's a really good player, and I wouldn't be trading for him if I didn't, but come on. If I can give us Vassell and De'Aaron Fox. I mean, after all, he was trash in the finals, and the Spurs wanted to move off of him, wanted to move off him. No team wants him. No team wants him. Plus, you get PG for PG, and you get to pair Curry with Wemby. So, like, that's kind of my mind talk that I want them to say. Fine. Give us Vassell and De'Aaron Fox. It's trash in the finals, and the Spurs want, but no team wants him. Plus, you get PG for PG, and also they're probably gonna. You guys probably start Harper now. Yeah. Let me see if that can get them, like... I mean, and the picks. Curry, Spurs is an immediate championship caliber pairing if they're high on Harper as their point guard. Fox is still an all-star. No, he's not. Oh my gosh. Fine. De'Aaron Fox. De'Aaron Fox. Oh my gosh. De'Aaron Fox. Give me De'Aaron Fox. What? Fox and 2 unprotected picks. Give me De'Aaron Fox, 2028. After a lengthy discussion, except, okay, finally, so we do get, okay, we get Fox. Fine. Yeah, okay. Okay, now I'm prepared. I'm prepared to offer Jimmy Butler and DeAnthony Melton. Okay, I wrote that wrong, DeAnthony, but it's fine. 4 and a second pick and a 2027 second round pick for Jalen Johnson to ATL. I'm prepared. Atlanta likes competitive, but they... What? Does anyone... Oh my gosh. Jimmy still helps. Unless the package includes... We're a rebuilding team. Y'all can't expect this. Oh my gosh. Jimmy Butler plus a high upside young player. What if we give them Pajemski? Let's give them a 2020-30. Let's give... What about that? And a 2030 top 8 protected... Actually, you know what? Top 4 protected pick. And a 2030 top 4 protected pick. Accepted. Thank you. Their conclusion, even with the tie, is enough to make them comfortable moving Johnson. They believe Butler helps them win now, while the pick cushions the long-term risk. Trade grades Warriors land, give up a future first, but keep the 2 unprotected Spurs pick. Hawks B+. Okay, landed 20 for 2-way forward with all-star upside. What do you mean all-star upside? What do you mean all-star upside? He was one this year. Yeah, okay, thank you. Established all-star. Perfect. So then, now I'm prepared to offer. I'm very much prepared to offer Draymond Green and Kristaps Porzingis for Jaden McDaniels to Minnesota. Minnesota sees some appeal. Cons. Why are y'all rejecting this? Why are you guys rejecting this? Why are you guys rejecting this, bro? You guys rejecting this? Actually, what am I doing? This is a tough sales. I know, but you guys get better. I know, but you guys get better. Get much better after y'all traded Nas Reed for LaMelo. Updated instead of I would say Minnesota, but once I'll give you a 2033. I mean, y'all also traded away like 5 picks. I mean, y'all also traded away. Okay, finally, thank you. Thank you. Okay, now one last thing. Can we get 2 unprotected firsts from Dallas for can we get like 2 unprotected first from Dallas from the Mavericks for Al Horford and what was the other guy? Gary Payton second. What about Seth? Let's add Seth in there. Let's add Seth Curry in there. Let's add Seth Curry in there. However, Mavericks doesn't justify this giving up 2 unprotected. Okay, how about this? How about this? 1 unprotected, and a lottery protected pick. Yeah, how about that? A lottery protected pick. Accepted. Thank you. Yes, there you go. 3 turn into role players into 1 unprotected first, 1 lottery first. So, 2028 Mavericks first, 2030 retools. Okay. Okay, can I see our full roster now? See our full roster now. Now, while this thing doesn't know is that I'm keeping track of our money. So whatever free agents I bring in is because I can bring them in. Starters: PG, De'Aaron Fox, shooting guard Moses Moody moves into the starting lineup. Why Brandon Pajemski, but he healed. No, he's not. Quentin Post. Jalen Johnson, Tracy Jackson Davis. Traded away Draft picks owned. Okay. I guess sim the season and show me full standings. To the trade deadline. Trade deadline. Tell me if any teams call about anyone. I don't know. I don't like De'Aaron Fox. Third. How are we third in the Western Conference? Okay. I don't know. I don't like this. Let me see. Cavs. We traded a pick. We got 2 unprotected first from someone in the East. I'm pretty sure. No. I think it was someone in the West. Spurs. They're the 5 seed. Can they like drop a lot? Like significantly? Minnesota. I mean, we also got Dallas. They'd be a lottery bound team. No. Heck no. No, I'm not trading McDaniels for Hashimura and Connect. It's your stockpile. No from offer. Yeah, depends. It depends. Dallas calls about Brandon Kajemski. The lottery. Okay. Okay. Can we go shopping? Go shopping for the Aaron Fox and a 2032. I don't care about second round picks. Second, if necessary. If necessary. Also, if we go shopping for Fox, I'm pretty sure, and maybe, I don't know. Let me see. Oh, they're offering Halliburton. They're offering Morant. Nah, I'm not taking Sabonis. 4 first round pick, 1 recent lottery pick. What? Hold up, I want PGs. I'm getting offered Morant and Halliburton. I got Halliburton, I got Ja Morant, I got Trae Young. I mean, of course, Cade not available. Yeah, okay. I'm taking Halliburton. Let me take Halliburton. Let me take Hallie. I'm taking Hallie. Let me take Hallie. Trade completed. Tyrese Halliburton and his Windian accepted. Why Golden Elite passing compliments Jalen Johnson's playmaking? Okay. Tyrese Halliburton, Moses Moody, Jaden McDaniels, Jalen Johnson, Tracy Jackson Davis. I still need Buddy Hield. Can we move off Buddy Hield, Pat Spencer, and Quentin Post? Can we shop Buddy Hield? What the? Hield. Quentin Post. And, and Pat Spencer. Pat Spencer. Because, I mean, if we could shop these guys, even for, like, younger guys, protected first round, top 10 protected, quote post, more shooting, and Pat Spencer. Buddy Hield, 20. I'll take the Magic. I will take the Magic. I might take the Dallas one. Nick Smith Jr. now. Suns, 2 second round picks. Yeah. Yes. Accept. Magic. The Magic one. Five additional first round picks besides ours. Utah Jazz, if you're looking to make a splash, one of our young cornerstone. Ooh. Let me see what you got. Let me see. I'm interested. Walker Kessler. Ooh. One unprotected first, one young player. Untouchable. What? Ooh. Why does Utah have Cooper Flag? Alright, whatever. No, I'm okay. No. I'm okay. I'm very okay. I mean, the idea of having Keontae is interesting. Let me... I'll stand pat for a little bit. No, I'm very okay. We need a center, though. We literally don't have... Okay. Continue the sim. I didn't realize it was in capital. So, I want to see what our backup center could be like. Oklahoma City Thunder, we finished second, 56-26. Denver Nuggets, 4-what? MVP, most improved player, Jalen Johnson's coach of the year, Warriors. Why am I coach of the year? I don't get that. First round bracket, Warriors, Lakers. Yeah, Warriors in 6, Warriors in 7. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay. Sim. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about this team. Lakers try to slow the pace. Game 1, we win. Warriors 119, Lakers 109. Game 2, we lose. Game 3, we win. Game 4, we lose. Game 5, we win. Game 6, we win. So we're on to round 2. Oh, no. Okay. Let's do it. See, I want to get a center, too. I lack that rim protection that I need to actually be like a decent defensive team. Warriors lead 1-0. We win. Spurs come out blasting. We win again, barely. Spurs blasting out again, and we are not blasting by them. Jalen Johnson delivers 34 points, 11 rebounds, and 6 assists. Okay, Game 6 tied 3-3, the Chase Center. The atmosphere is electric. Warriors jump out, but San Antonio storms back behind Curry. The game is tied 102. Halliburton drives and finds McDaniels for a corner 3, 105-102 for Warriors. Curry answers with a trademark 3 over Moody. 105-105. Jalen Johnson attacks the rim and scores through contract. 107-105 Warriors. Free throw, good. 108-105. Wembanyama gets a dunk, 108-107. Golden State burns the clock. Halliburton runs a pick and roll, draws 2 defenders, kicks to Kuminga. Kaminga, bang. San Antonio can't recover. Warriors win game 7. Okay, we're in the conference. Okay, let's do it. Let's see. Sim. SGA. Okay. Oh my gosh, we have to face SGA now. It's fine. Okay, we lose. We win. We lose. We win. We lose. We win. Pain is deafening. Do we win? Off the rim. Shea fades. Trace. Ooh. How are we in the NBA Finals already? Are we gonna... Okay. Sim, I guess. We win. We lose. Game 1 we lose. Game 2 and 3 we win. Game 4 we lose. Game 5 we win. Chase Center. Okay, we win the chip. So we win it all. That's really nice. Okay. Finals MVP Jalen Johnson. Playoff record 16-8. That's actually really nice. From an aging roster into a championship team. Major moves. Traded Stephen Curry for Tyrese Halliburton's eventual replacement path through De'Aaron Fox and then Halliburton while adding draft assets. It acquired Jalen Johnson. It acquired Dana McDaniels, turned a veteran role players into additional first-round picks, preserved a young core while remaining competitive. Core going forward, Tyrese Halliburton, point guard All-NBA, Dana McDaniels, first team All-Defense, Jalen Johnson, All-Star, Finals MVP, six-man Jonathan Kuminga, plus 5. World calls it one of the quickest and most successful roster overhauls in recent NBA history. Your franchise isn't just a champion, it has also one of the brightest futures in the league. Well, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know it's not like a 2K rebuild or anything, but I do hope that you liked it. Remember to please subscribe so I can get a PlayStation and I can really do 2K content. If you would like 2K content, please subscribe and also tell me so I can see what I can do about that. But yeah, besides that, thank you. Okay, until the next one.